In today's video, I am going to teach you how to build restaurant forms in Jotform using Claude AI. Start by going to Jotform and logging into your account. Once you are inside your dashboard, open Claude AI in your browser in a separate tab. This will let you quickly move between both tools as you build your form. Next, decide the purpose of your restaurant form. Be clear about what you want to collect. This could be reservation requests, food orders, customer feedback, or catering inquiries. Defining the goal first will help the form stay organized and easy for customers to complete. Now in Claude AI, enter this prompt exactly as written. Create a restaurant form directly in my Jotform account with structured sections for customer details, order or reservation information, preferences, and special requests. Make it clear, organized, and ready to use. After submitting the prompt, give Claude AI a moment to generate the form. Then return to Jotform and look for the newly created form in your account. Open it and review the layout carefully. Check that the main sections are included and that the form matches the type of restaurant workflow you need. For a reservation form, you may want to include the reservation date and time, the number of guests, seating preferences, dietary restrictions, and special instructions. For an order form, you might add menu selections, item quantities, pickup or delivery details, and customer notes. These extra fields help make the form more useful and complete. Once the fields are in place, arrange the form in a logical order. Start with customer information, then move into reservation or order details, followed by preferences and any final notes. A clean structure makes the form easier to understand and improves the submission experience. After that, customize the form by editing labels, helper text, and required fields. Make sure each question is easy to read and clearly explains what information is needed. This is also a good time to adjust the design so the form feels polished and professional. Then go into the form settings and configure any notifications or integrations you need. This can help you manage bookings, receive order alerts, or send submissions to the right place automatically. Before publishing, preview the form and test the full submission flow. Submit a sample response and confirm that everything works as expected. Once you are satisfied, publish the form and share it using the direct link or the embed option. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.